Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into a fantastic package that's sure to excite anyone looking to upgrade their audio setup. The Allen & Heath QU-16C rack-mountable compact digital mixer, Chrome Edition, bundled with a truly comprehensive accessory kit. This isn't just a mixer, it's a complete solution designed to get users up and running with professional-grade audio right out of the box. The QU-16C itself is a powerhouse. Allen & Heath has a stellar reputation in the audio world, and this compact digital mixer lives up to that legacy. It's rack-mountable, making it incredibly versatile for both fixed installations and mobile rigs. The C in QU-16C stands for Chrome Edition, which means it boasts a sleek, eye-catching finish that really sets it apart aesthetically. Beyond its looks, this is a 16-channel digital mixer packed with features that were once only found on much larger, more expensive consoles. Users will find intuitive control over their sound, with recallable settings, built-in effects, and flexible routing options that simplify complex audio tasks. It's designed for ease of use, yet offers the depth and power demanded by professionals. What truly elevates this offering to a top-value mixer accessory kit is the thoughtful inclusion of essential add-ons. First up, a quality pair of headphones. These are absolutely crucial for accurate monitoring, allowing users to hear every nuance of their mix without external distractions. Then there's the stereo interconnect cable, a fundamental piece of gear for connecting various audio sources or outputs. A generous 10-foot cable is also included, providing flexibility for different setup configurations, alongside a dedicated mic cable, ensuring that users can plug in their primary vocal or instrument microphone immediately. Perhaps one of the most underrated, yet incredibly useful, additions is the label kit. In any complex audio setup, clear labeling is paramount for quick adjustments and troubleshooting. This kit helps users keep their channels, inputs, and outputs perfectly organized, saving valuable time and preventing errors during live performances or recording sessions. This entire bundle demonstrates a clear understanding of what an audio professional or enthusiast truly needs to maximize their investment in a high-quality digital mixer. It's a package that provides immediate utility and enhances the overall experience, making the Allen & Heath QU-16C Chrome Edition an even more compelling choice for anyone seeking a robust, versatile, and aesthetically pleasing digital mixing solution.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.